Men, trimming your beard just got super easy with the new Havells Accurate Beard Trimmer. It trims effortlessly, protecting your skin from scratches and irritation. Let's see how. It has hypoallergenic blades which protect your skin from allergies. The blades are also designed in a unique U shape, ensuring a flawless trim. The 5 length settings of the trimmer give a unique stubble measure for each look. 3 mm to 7 mm. What's your perfect stubble length? Want a closer trim? Just remove the length setting comb for a precision trim. The trimmer helps to trim difficult areas like the neckline, sideburns, cheek and above and below the mustache. Time to clean your trimmer. Easy to clean with a detachable head and a cleaning brush. Now ensure proper hygiene after each use. This cordless trimmer uses a lithium-ion battery. Once fully charged, it can go on for a month. Time to let it out in style with a Havells Accurate Beard Trimmer.